Welcome to Ben Talks Money. Here we discuss stocks, investments, ETFs, and personal finance.
Hello there, welcome back to Ben Talks Money. My name is Ben. I have an MBA in Finance and Management. I've been trading for the past 8 years. I'm a full-time options trader. In this video, we talk about 3 stocks under $20 that are set to double in the next 12 months. These are solid tech stocks with huge potential in the AI sector, and they have a strong fundamental and validations that will push these stocks to double in the next 12 months. So if you are new here, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share, and humbly, please help me grow this channel. The first stock that we'll take a look at today is UiPath with the ticker symbol PATH, P-A-T-H. This is a tech stock in the AI sector that deals with automation, tax automation. If you have a recurring tax that you do every day, especially with data processing and stuff in that nature, they have a technology. They use a technology called Agent Force that detects what needs to be done and then does it. And they have a validation from NVIDIA. That's why if you look at the daily chart, this stock moved from $12 all the way to right here, $18.50, and it pulled back a little bit with the market when all the crazy was going on last week. This stock pulled back, and it's beginning to consolidate a little bit. But this is a long-term play. If you are looking for a stock that can double in the next 12 months, you have to take a look at PATH. Do your research about it, know more about what the company does, and make an informed decision. This company has a huge potential. So the next one that we'll take a look at is QuantumScape. I made a video about this stock a while ago when it was around $11, and it's right now trading around $16. It went all the way up to 19. It also pulled back. You can see this huge red candle on the daily chart last week when the market was drawing down. It was not an exception. It also came down. But on Friday, it moved up a little bit. On Monday, it pushed back up again above $16, and it's beginning to go again. This company, what they do is that they are producing a solid state battery for electric cars. You buy an electric car and all you hear is that it doesn't have range, it can catch fire, and all those kind of stuff. This company is developing a new battery technology that can prevent the electric cars from catching fire because the current battery is in the liquid state. And this company, they are producing solid state batteries. There have been rumors about a collaboration or a deal with Tesla. They have a deal with Volkswagen and Toyota. And if this company gets a deal with Tesla, it'll be too late for you. This stock used to be around $60 during COVID, but COVID is slowed them down. Their production and their R&D, it was slowed down, so they couldn't catch up. But now they are making a comeback, and there are deals going around with, again, Toyota and Volkswagen, and there's been rumors about deals with Tesla. So if you want something for the long term, a company for the long term that has a strong potential, you have to take a look at QuantumScape, QS. And again, do your own research about it. Look at the fundamentals, because since you are making a long-term investment, it's prudent that you do a long-term analysis of the fundamentals, not the chart. The chart doesn't tell you anything. The chart is just for entry. If you are entering into a position for a long term, you might have to also look at the company's balance sheet. So that's the second one. The last and also my favorite is NVTS. I've made a couple of videos about NVTS. First of all, when it was around $5, I made my first video about it. When I came across this company, I read about it, I did my research about it, and I realized the potential that this company has. And also, I made another video when it got to $12. And right now, it's trading around $17. This has a strong potential for 3, 4, 5x. They produce AI semiconductors, the chips that are used in the data center. And you can say NVIDIA, AMD, all these companies, the competition is high. Yes, the competition is high. Tell me why a company like NVIDIA is outsourcing AI chips from a small cap company like this. This company has a valuation of about $5 billion. So yes, it's not an absolute small cap company, but NVIDIA is a $4 trillion company. So why is a $4 trillion company like NVIDIA outsourcing an important AI chip for their data center from NVTS? Let me tell you the reason. The reason is that NVTS produces chips that doesn't heat up. The data centers that are running all the AI data, they run 24/7. They consume a lot of energy and they often heat up. So you have to ration them, you have to turn them down to cool and all those kind of stuff. This company produces AI chips that doesn't heat up, and also it uses less energy. That is why NVIDIA is teaming up with them. And when the news hit, you can see on the daily chart, when the news hit, this stock was around $8 and it moved all the way to $17. And to me, this is just the beginning. the AI chip sector, the data centers, they are so hot. That sector is so hot. We all know that this market is being carried by the AI stocks, right? So for some small cap company like this to get the validation from company like an NVIDIA, the leader in the sector, it's a strong green flag for this company. So do your own due diligence about it. Make sure it fits your risk profile before you put in your hard-earned money. Okay, so these are the 3 stocks under $20 that has the potential to double, triple, quadruple in the next 12 months. The first one was PATH, PATH. The second one was QuantumScape. And the third one was Navitas Semiconductor, NVTS. If you have any question, leave in the comment section below. If you are new here, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share, tell a friend to tell a friend. And until next time, let's keep making money.